Today we're going to be driving my big huge truck, this truck right here. And yeah, let's get to the video. So let's go to the desert, go find some chests. And this thing is monster suspension, so it jacked. I just tipped over. It is tippy. I tip. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, there's this new thing. When you stop, you can get out of your car, and then if you have a gun, you can go shoot birds. But here, there's no birds. So, yeah. So, yeah. Go back to my car. I'm in my truck. Fun chest. Ooh. And tippy. Next, we're gonna go get my other car and go to the woodlands and go shoot some birds. Go to my map. Okay, this thing's a little too bouncy. I'm gonna go to the other car and let's go to the woodlands. Ad.